It's a 2012 Chrysler 300. Performance that thrills with luxury that caters. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. New car test drive think the new Chrysler 300 is the finest sedan that Chrysler Corporation has ever built. Chrysler, where top flight engineering meets affordable luxury. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.